In this video, I would want to be talking about the different market orders, the different orders we have on MT4, MT5, and what it means when you see signals like sell at, buy at. Most times, many of you would wonder, what do you mean? Set a buy stop, set a sell stop. So in this video, I would explain to you what buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop means. Because I know many of us have these questions. Mr. Henry, when you send a signal and you say sell at or buy at, what do you mean? Should we enter now? Are you saying you should enter now? No, that's not what I'm saying. So there's a way you do this thing. So stick around. Let me show you. I'm going to be going to my screen right now and I'm going to show you how to set a buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit, and market execution. What they actually mean. Thank you very much, guys. Okay, guys, so this is my MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to be using MetaTrader 4 for this tutorial. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are the same thing, no different. So now let's say, for instance, as you can see, it is always set at market execution. What is market execution? Let me go back to the chart so that I can explain this better. All right, this is the chart and this is where price is as at now. This is where price is as at now. As I'm speaking to you, as you can see, this is where the price is. Okay, let me go on the lower time frame, maybe a 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this is where price is. As you can see, price is moving up and down at this range. So market execution means you are entering a trade instantly. You're entering a trade instantly. So let's say, for instance, this is a real account, so I won't be entering a trade here. It's a small account though, $432. So I won't be entering a trade. So, but let's say, for instance, we want to enter a trade, market execution, because that is where it is. Once you tap your screen, you go on trade, it's already on market execution. It means you are entering the trade as at the current price where the market is. Do you understand? So once you just put your lot size and you enter either a buy or a sell. Now that is for market execution. Very easy. You are entering instantly where the price is at that time. Like right now, the price is at 1.24692 and all that. That's where you are entering instantly, immediately. Now, for buy limit and sell limit, let me go back there again. Click trade. You see market execution. Once you tap market execution, you will see all the other executions you have: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So many of you have issues with all this and you don't understand it. So I'm going to be explaining what buy limit and sell limit is, and buy stop and sell stop. So right now, I sent a signal in my Telegram group. Let's go there. Now, this is the signal I sent in my Telegram group. This is it. Sell GBP USD at 1.25076. Look at the chart. Now, this is where I'm seeing price getting to before it starts coming down, before it starts selling. So once you see a signal like this, sell at so and so, this is not market execution. This signal is not saying you should enter now. If you see signal like sell GBP USD now, meaning they are saying you should use market execution. You are entering the trade instantly at where price is. If you check my signals, you will see signals like enter. Okay, look at this one. It's saying sell GBP USD now. So I'm saying enter now. Do you understand? You might be in my signal group or any other signal group. So as a newbie, you need to learn this. So once you see sell GBP USD at so and so, it's not saying you should enter now. What they are trying to let you know that is to place a sell limit, because it's a sell at so and so. So what you would do is you want to copy. Let me see if I can copy this. Copy this number. Click copy. Do you understand? Head to your MetaTrader. Click. This is already GBP USD. Yeah, this is GBP USD. As you can see, this is GBP USD. So you tap trade. Then instead of market execution, tap this and click sell limit, because it is a sell signal. It says sell at so and so. So you click sell limit. Now once you click sell limit, you will see by your left hand side price, stop loss, take profit. So this is where you add the price, paste it, click place. Now when you come on your chart, this is your chart. You can't find it here now because this is a 1 minute time frame. Let me go on a higher minute time frame. Let me see a 4 hours time frame, if it will show us clearly the order we placed. Okay, look at it. As you can see, look at the sell limit. So I am seeing the price getting to this point, then reversing. So, but as I'm speaking to you right now, price is still here. Look at it, it's still here. As you can see, follow it. Price is still here. So, me, I'm seeing the market getting to this point before it starts retracing back. So, there are two things in this thing. You can either watch the price, maybe you're monitoring your phone, you're looking at your phone, watch it move from here that it is right now to this point, then enter a sell instantly, which is on market execution, or just set it so that whether you can be busy doing one or two, you don't know that price has actually got into this place and start selling, and you start blaming yourself. Oh, why didn't I set a sell limit? I thought I was going to be able to monitor these things, because you might be busy and not monitor it, and price will get to this point. So that's why you see we have sell limit. So you just set it, set the sell limit, and go and do whatever you want to do. If the signal comes with stop loss and take profit, which definitely it will come with, let's go back. Look at, it came with stop loss and take profit. While you are setting the sell limit, you can add it. Let's go back again, click trade. It's already on sell limit. You put the price. I think I still have it copied. Paste it. You see, this is your stop loss. This is your take profit. You go back to the signal, edit it, take the stop loss, copy, come here, put the stop loss, paste. Now go on the signal again, take profit, copy, come back here and paste. Then you click place the trade. You've placed it. Right now, let's see. Okay, as you can see, wow, my take profit is very, 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 very long. That's because this is a long time trade. All right. So, but I don't know why the stop loss isn't showing. The stop loss is not supposed to be that large. I think I just used just 25 pips. So maybe there's an error there, because the stop loss is supposed to be somewhere around here or here, because I used 25 pips. So we don't risk too much. At least we risk 20, 25 pips for all our signals. So that is what sell limit means. So what is buy limit? Buy limit is just the opposite of sell limit. Now let's say, for instance, I'm seeing this price. This is where price is at the moment. I'm seeing price selling to this point, then reversing back. What I want to do is, okay, I'll send a signal, buy GBP USD at so and so. I'll put it here. Do you understand? 1.23663. So what you want to do now is click trade. Instead of this sell limit, change it to buy limit. You add the number, put the stop loss, put the take profit. So that's just the simple explanation of what sell limit and buy limit means. Sell limit is, like I said earlier, I am envisioning, I'm seeing that based on analysis, that this price will get to this point before it starts selling. So the best thing for me to do, instead of sitting down with my phone monitoring and waiting for price to get to this point, it may not get to this point today. It might take a while. It might take 3 hours, 4 hours. Would I want to be on my phone and be monitoring for that time? I can just set it and leave it. When the price moves up to this place and touches this order, it will automatically take the trade. So that's what it will also do when it's also a buy limit. So most times as signal provider, we don't say set a buy limit or set a sell limit. We just say sell at. That sell and the at has already told you that this is not an instant entry. Sell at so and so, you should know that this is a sell limit. Buy at so and so, you should know that this is a buy limit. Now let me quickly move on to the other one, which is buy stop and sell stop. Now this is it. You tap it. Let's go on buy stop and sell stop. Now let me explain it to you. What is buy stop and sell stop? So let's say, for instance, this is where price is as at now. As you can see, it's moving upward and downward. This is where price is. So let's say, for instance, I feel like price will get to this point. Then once it gets to this point, it will continue to buy. So once price gets to this, let me see if I can use this. Once price from here gets to this point, I feel like, okay, it will break this resistance and continue. Maybe from here now it will continue. So what I want to do is I'll set a buy stop Forget about that stop. That stop is what is the confusing some people. What is buy stop? It's supposed to be buy continuation. Do you understand? But that is how MetaTrader placed it. I don't know why they put the buy stop. My own is supposed to be buy continuation, but since it's buy stop, so remove your mind from the buy stop, the stop that is there, because many of you don't understand because of that stop that is there. So what buy stop means is I feel price will get to this point and continue going up. So I feel this is a good point for me to place an order. So instead of me waiting for price to get here, monitoring this as it's going up and down small like this, I'm monitoring for it to get here before I place a buy, because I feel like price, when price gets here, it's not going to come down. Instead, it will continue going up. So what I will just need to do now is place a buy stop order. So what I want to do is click this, click trade. Instead of market execution where it is, tap here, click buy stop. Then I didn't save. Now this number here, let me see if I can just get this number. Okay, this is the number. Copy it. Okay, or let me put it here so that it doesn't interfere with that sell limit, so that we understand. So I feel maybe when price gets here, it will continue to buy. Let me property. I just want to get this figure to copy it instead of just writing it one after the other. So what I will now do is I will click trade. Once I click trade, it's already on buy stop, as you can see. Click buy stop, put the figure there, click paste. I don't want to add take profit or stop loss, or I might add later, whichever. Then click place. Now as you can see, a buy stop has been set here. Can you see it? The buy stop has been set here. This is it. Follow my arrow. This is it. The buy stop has been set here. So meaning I feel like when price gets to this point here, it will continue to go upwards. So what I will just want to do now, I might just set my stop loss a little bit below, so that should in case it doesn't happen that way, I don't blow my account. So I might just put my stop loss here below this place. Do you understand? So that, you know, I'm envisioning the price to get to this place, this buy stop, and continue going up. So what if price gets there and it doesn't continue going up, instead it starts coming down? So I would just want to place my stop loss a little bit at this point. Do you understand? So that is what buy stop means. So what is sell stop? Sell stop is also the opposite of buy stop. Do you understand? It's also the opposite of buy stop. So I feel like, okay, let me explain sell stop. So I feel like this price, this market now is going to sell to this point. Once it sells to this point, instead it will continue to sell. So I feel like there is a support at this point. So but I feel like when price sells from here right now, that it is down to this place, instead of it to go back up, it's going to continue going down. So what I want to do is this place that I feel like is the best point to enter, I'm going to set a sell stop. Do you understand it now? So it's just the opposite. The sell stop is the opposite of buy stop. Sell limit is the opposite of buy limit. Very, very simple. Do you understand? Buy stop means price is going to get to this point and continue going up. So I want to place my order at the point where I feel like when price gets there, it's not going to come down, but it's going to continue to go up. That's it. So for sell limit, which is this one that we have here, I feel like price is going to get to this point and immediately it touches here, it's going to continue to come down. So these are just the simplest explanation of what market execution means. Like I told you, market execution is you entering the signal or entering the trade instantly. So when a signal provider sends a signal, buy GBP USD now, what is telling you, some will put buy GBP USD now and put the price at the point whereby they sent the signal. So but some doesn't put it like that. Some will just put buy GBP USD now. So once you see that, you should know that is they are telling you to enter instantly. Is a market execution trade. So but when you see buy at or sell at, you should know they are telling you, okay, set a sell limit or a buy limit. But most time, most signal provider don't use set a buy stop or sell stop. No, the most ones we use is market execution, which is enter now, or buy at so and so, or sell at so and so. So if this video is helpful, if you are confused, please drop a comment and I would try my possible best to come back to it again. Thank you very much, guys. For those trading with XNEXT app itself, because not everybody trades with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, so you are not left out. So the same buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, market execution, they are also on XNES. So let's say for instance you click trade. Once you click trade, now the signal I sent, the sell limit signal I sent was GBP USD. You click GBP USD. So if you can remember, it's a sell at so 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 and so. So what you want to do now, let's wait for this chart to load. I don't know why it's wasting time. So let's say we click sell. Once you click sell, I can't wait for that chart to load. Once you click sell, this is what you would see. You would see where you can put in your lot size, which is 0.01. As you can see, it's already showing lot. Now, other settings. When you tap other settings, it will show you, as you can see, market order, sell limit, sell stop. So what you want to do now is it is sell we clicked. So are you entering the sell instantly because it's at market order right now? Is it a sell limit? It's a sell limit. So that's what you should click. Now, this is where you will now put in the price, which you copy from the signal I sent. You put in the price, you put in the take profit, you put in the stop loss, and you enter. All right. So let's see if we can do that. Let's quickly go on to the Telegram. Let's copy. Let's copy our uh, entry point. You come here, you tap here, you paste. So let's also copy our SL. You copy, you come here. Where's our SL? SL is below. Stop loss. You paste. Now let's also copy our take profit. You copy, you come here, you paste. You click done, you confirm your order. So your order has been placed. You have successfully placed a sell limit order. So, but I don't know why the chat isn't loading up. I don't know. Maybe it's my network. I don't know if it's my network, but definitely you're supposed to see it here. So let's just say it's my network. I don't know. I don't know. So that's it. So that's it, guys. So that's for sell limit. So now let's put a buy. Let's try a buy limit. Once you click it, you click buy. Once you click buy, click order settings. Is it market order instantly? Is it buy limit or is it buy stop? So since it's, let's do buy limit, you click buy limit. Just the same thing. It's just the opposite of sell limit. Buy limit is the opposite of sell limit, and buy stop is the opposite of sell stop. So the most important thing is just to understand what they mean, and I think I've explained to you what they actually mean. All right, guys. So that's that. So, but most times you won't see signals like this. The most signals you will see is enter now, buy GBP USD now, sell GBP USD now. That is if you are always dependent on signal provider. So why I'm doing this video is because a whole lot of newbies are asking, sir, when you say sell at, we don't understand. So that's why I'm trying to make you understand what sell at means and how you can also set a sell limit instead of you waiting for price to get to that point before you now sell. Is this well explained? I want to believe it is. So if you have any more question, drop your questions. Thank you very much, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share.